I'll just tell you what the important announcement is. But like you can see, we are all solving the JEE mains paper, and everybody is in the office right now. And as we are solving, we just got to know some important and shocking things which is there in the JEE mains paper, and the paper was set by NTA, and I feel that is something which NEET students should be aware of, because I feel same things, if it gets repeated in NEET, that might be bad, but there are also some good things which NTA has done. So I will tell you both the things, good as well as the bad. First, let me start with the bad part. Okay, I hope I'm audible and live and everybody is able to see me, and quickly smash the like button and also subscribe to the Vedantu Neet English channel in case you have not yet subscribed, the #1 Neet English channel in the country. Okay, so what is the bad thing? The bad thing is that the paper level in physics has increased a little bit. In fact, the difference is quite seen, especially in the morning shift. It was seen that the paper had some difficult questions, very lengthy questions, lots of integration, and if you know the final formula, it helps. Else, deriving that particular thing would take a lot of time. For example, due to a semicircle, what will be the gravitational field at the center? Or due to a hemisphere, what will be the electric field at the center? Or, finding the RMS current of an equation with sign and a constant term in it. Okay, without derivation, you can't do it, or else you should know the final formula. That means, there are some multiple patterns of questions which you need to solve. If you have that experience, well and good, you will be able to get the answer within seconds. But if you do not know, if you sit and derive it, it will take a long time. And the problem is, these formulas are not there in NCERT. These formulas are not there in NCERT. They are only there in your basically coaching modules, or basically in the coaching center when they teach you, or basically in our online batches when we teach. Those formulas are there, which makes the job easier. Okay, number 2 bad news is that, remember, deleted syllabus versus NCERT syllabus versus NEET syllabus, that debate which was going on, and a lot of people were confused. We made videos clearly stating what is there and what is not there. Oh, by the way, Karino, you're asking, are you doing the JEE mains paper somewhere? Not on the NEET channel, on the JEE English channel of Vedantu. I'm discussing there live, okay, all the shifts, okay. So talking back about, your deleted syllabus. See, many people said that rotational motions, what do you say, rolling motion, that rolling motion concept is deleted and all of that. But guys, let me tell you, it is deleted but also not deleted. Reason is, in JEE, even though they never mentioned rolling motion, there was a question on rolling in the JEE mains paper. And the question was like, some energy is or speed is given, how high will the sphere roll up, on the inclined plane. So you need the concept of rotational kinetic energy and the translational kinetic energy, and then you have to find using energy conservation. But the point is, rolling word is used. So there could be certain parts where you might need a little bit of, concepts like from these deleted syllabus. Example, one more, in chemistry, there was a question on Dalton's laws. So usually people will skip thinking that it is not mentioned in the syllabus, but in JEE mains, a question has come right now in the second shift regarding Dalton's law. Meaning, say for example, you are studying the chapter of atomic structure. Now, as per the syllabus, only Bohr's model is there, correct? Bohr's model, atomic spectra, and all those things are there. But let's say they ask you a question on, the Thomson's model, for example. Might happen. So be careful. If there is some basic things which you can do here and there, and if you are targeting 650, 680 plus, cover up all those things. But if your target is below 650, it is completely okay to skip all these topics. Are you getting my point? If your target is below 650, 680, don't even bother about it. So that's the good news. Only when your target is above 650, 680, then you are looking for that even one question which will give you 4 marks. Even one question. So that is the very good news. Another good news is the paper was not, having bonus questions like that, or out of the way questions, or very easy paper, everybody gets very good marks, very difficult to score really high and get a good rank. That thing was not seen. That means the paper will be of decent level. Even the chemistry paper had normal questions, not very very easy, but yeah, if you know NCRT and if you know basic concepts here and there, you will be able to crack chemistry easily. Physics had some tricky questions, but standard model questions were repeated many times. I conducted many sessions on the JEE channel saying ki, this question will get repeated, predictor paper, sure shot, mock test, this, that. Many questions just got repeated directly, and I was showing the students also. So I feel the same thing will also happen in NEET in your May 5th examination. Whatever questions I do for you, many of these models are directly going to come in the paper. So if you want me to do it, please let me know. Obviously, you want me to do it. So, but I want to see that as likes, as subscribes and comments. And guys, remember, you have to ace your preparation to the next level. You cannot take any chances. So make sure you're not only attending the classes here on YouTube, but also the NEET crash course. Yeah, NEET crash course. So the NEET crash course is for 999 rupees. I'm taking the first class on Saturday. I don't know how many of you have enrolled it, but I saw many messages from the students, sir, I have enrolled, sir. I'm waiting for the classes. I'm, excited to see all the resources. Some students have already started downloading the PDFs from Tatva. Some students have started giving the practice tests and the assignments already. So don't miss this opportunity. The crash course is starting tomorrow, 5th, and it's just for 999 rupees. The link is there in the description box now. Yeah, practical physics was not there. At least the questions that I saw, not even one question I saw on practical physics, but it can happen in the second shift. I'm yet to completely solve the paper. So maybe one question will come from practical physics or practical chemistry. Okay, so be aware of that. So I hope I made things very clear. Okay, so if your target is below 650, 680, no need to worry about this deleted part. But if your target is really high, then every question, every mark counts. And paper is of decent level, no bonus questions. You need to do all your formulas and all the theory properly. So don't expect very high level or very easy level. It will be normal level only, but you need to prepare really hard. Okay, and the third point I told you is about the NEET crash course. The link is there in the description box right away, right now. Join it. Don't waste any more time. 999 rupees. Okay, the link is. Hasta la vista. Take care. Take care. God bless you all.